Hello everybody, welcome back. Austin from Lifeproof Grooming here, and today I've got a special treat of a video for you. We're going to be doing a cool little unboxing for you guys and show you exactly what you get when you buy some of Volt's beard color. But first, I gotta make an announcement, okay? Newsflash, breaking news. You do not need gray hair in your beard in order to use Volt's beard color. Yes, you heard me correctly. You do not need gray hair in your beard to use Volt's beard color. Why is that? Because Volt's beard color is unlike those dyes and pastes and solutions you have to mix together like in some other beard color packages. Volt is customizable beard color, which means you can choose where you want to put it. If you do happen to have some gray in your beard, you can choose to rock the salt and pepper look. You can go for full coverage, or you can just choose if you want it on one side or another, whatever you want. And that's what makes Volt special, is the fact that you can choose what you want, where you want it, and the style you're gonna rock for that day. Today, I'm actually gonna use this to fill in some patches and get a nice top line here on my beard. But enough with the chit chat, let's jump straight into the unboxing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, Volt Premium Instant Beard Color. Alright, so the first thing I'm noticing about this packaging is that it is a nice little cylinder, very compact, probably no larger than I would say a can of soda is. It's got this cool little design on the top that reflects some of that light. It says Volt Lifeproof Grooming right there. Instant Beard Color, brush on waterproof liquid beard color, 35 applications. That's right. So one of these vials, depending on the length and size of your beard, is roughly 35 applications. Obviously that will change depending on the application type you choose as well, considering whether you want salt and pepper or full coverage. Obviously full coverage going to use a lot more product. But the color that I chose is chestnut brown red. Now the reason I chose that is because I have a lot of red in my beard. It's kind of that mix between brown and red. And if you go to Volt's website, voltgrooming.com, you can actually take a quiz that will tell you pretty easily exactly what color you need. And this is all made in-house in America, in Costa Mesa, by the way. And then down here you can see made in the USA. That's awesome. So without further ado, let's open the cap here and I'll show you exactly what's inside. So once you take the cap off, you can see that we have this little sheet in here with some instructions. See, shake well for 20 seconds, shake well, brush on, and go. Doesn't really get much more simple than that. So we'll set that to the side, and we'll pull out this main deal here. So here is the pouch. This should have the beard color, the comb, and a few other things in there. So I'm gonna open it up. The first thing I'm gonna pull out is the beard color. Looks like it comes with this cool little applicator tube. This could probably just fit in your pocket, pretty compact. So we'll set that down for now. What else we got in here? Alright, so it looks like we have some instructions, no dye, no developer, no gloves, no problems. So if you guys grab your own Volt beard color, then you can read this, but I'll be showing you how to apply it today, so we don't have to worry about this too much. Alright, so what else do we have in here? We've got, the beard comb. Now this is going to come in handy because I don't have a beard comb or a beard brush, and I could have used this in the last video that I made about applying beard balm, which you can find in the description. Alright, and last but not least, in the little package we got here is the Volt Prep and Clean. Now this is just to clean your beard and prepare it for the beard color application. And I believe that is about everything. So as you can see, just in this little package alone, we've got the Volt Prep and Clean, the instruction cards, the carrying pouch, the applicator brush, and a comb. So let's take this beard color out and see what this is all about. Alright, so here is the Volt beard color. Says twist to open, shake well, chestnut brown red. So when you shake it, you can hear there's a little like steel BB inside that's going to be used to mix up the colors, much like a shaker bottle works to kind of blend things. And last but not least, the beard comb. Pretty cool little comb. It says Volt Lifeproof Grooming on there. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it as far as the unboxing goes, so let's jump into this and start putting this to work. Alright guys, so I have you set up in my bathroom right now. You can probably tell because it sounds a little strange in here, but real quick I just want you to notice something. What you'll notice is that there is no sharp line going from here to here in my beard. I just can't seem to get it right. So what I do plan on doing with the beard color today is applying a sharp line from here down to my lip and maybe filling in this patch on the side, even though it's okay that it's there because it's even on the other side. But I just want to show you guys how this stuff works and how natural it looks. So let's get started. Okay, so because I already washed and cleaned my beard, I'm not going to use the Volt Prep and Clean. I'm just going to jump straight into combing my beard with the included comb and then applying the color. Alright guys, so I just finished using Volt for the first time. You can probably tell which side I used it on. I'm going to go test it right now with a water bottle. I have seen on many of these videos people pouring water right over it after they apply it even just seconds earlier, which is what I just did. So I'm going to take you outside right now and I'm just going to show you how this works. Here we are in my backyard. I'm just going to throw some water all over the place, rub my beard around, see if anything comes off. That is pretty cool. Wow. There's nothing, you guys. That's cool. Now I am soaked. Okay, so overall thoughts, as you can probably tell, I'm pretty impressed. I'd seen videos where people take the beard color, brush it on their hand, pour water on it just like a second afterwards, and it didn't come off. They were even scrubbing on it trying to get it off, and it wouldn't come off. Now obviously you can wash it off when you want to with warm water and soap, but the truth is just going about your day to day, it's not gonna come off, which is pretty cool then, considering that you can customize your beard further beyond that whenever you want to. It's not like a beard dye where you're stuck with whatever results you get. This lets you put it where you want it. It looks natural because the bristles on the brush look like hair. They make the lines that you brush in look like hair. Now this beard color is going to last 24 to 48 hours depending on what I'm doing, but there are videos out there, you can find them on Volt Grooming's YouTube channel, where people are going surfing with this stuff on. They've got helmets on with this stuff and it just won't come off. So honestly, if you guys are looking for something that not only covers gray hairs, let's say you don't have any gray in your beard and you just want something that can fill patches like I use, then this is the stuff that you're gonna wanna pick up. Beard dyes are only gonna dye the hair that you have, and beard pencils won't color the hair that you have, they'll just increase the lines. So this does it all. So if you're wondering what your color is and where you can pick up some Volt of your very own, then go to voltgrooming.com and you can take the quiz and it'll take you right to the page where you can order some of that specific color. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more videos like these, then please comment, like, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments below what color you end up getting and what you like most about your Volt premium beard color. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.